This is Ispita Badhon, ID 213358007. Today my discussion topic is AES key expansion. Here is the code. Here, Archon is a list containing the round consistent used in AES key expansion. S-box is a 16x16 substitution box used in AES encryption. Key to generate prompts the user to enter the number of round keys to generate. Matrix is initialized as an empty list. A loop prompts the user to enter the values for each row of the matrix in hexadecimal format, which are then converted to integers and appended to the matrix. Last call is created by extraction the last column of the matrix. The first value of last column is popped and appended to the end. Simulation the circular shift operation. A new call is initialized. A loop iterates through each element of last column, and for each element its hexadecimal index is determined, then used to look up a value from the S-box. The finally appended in new call. Next round key is initialized as a 4x4 matrix filled with none. A function fill next round key is defined to fill the next round key matrix with the provided column values. A new list, new matrix is initialized. A loop iterates through each element of the prev call and new column, performing XOR operation with the corresponding element from Archon or the first element and simple XOR for the rest. The result is appended in new matrix. Inside this loop, a new list, new column 1 is initialized. A nested loop iterates through each row of the matrix, performing XOR operation between the corresponding elements of new matrix and the next column of the original matrix. The resulting values are appended to new column 1. New column 1 is copied to new matrix. The fill next round of function is called to the fill respective column of the next round key matrix with the values from new column 1. Finally, the next round key matrix is printed a formatted manner displaying the generated round keys. And here is the output of the code. Here the values are here is the first column of the next round key is 47 40 A3 4C. These values were obtained by performing XOR operation on the first column of the original matrix previous call and the newly generated column derived from the circular shifted. And using values from the S-box and Archon. The second column of the next round key is 1B CF BF 20. These values were obtained by performing XOR operation on the first column of the next round key and the second column of the original matrix, similar to the first column. The third column of the next round key is F1 1E 2466. And these values are obtained by performing XOR operation on the second column of the next round key and the third column of the original matrix, and the fourth column of the next round key is C4 61 C7 C7 7B. These values were obtained by performing XOR operation on the third column of the next round key and the fourth column of the original matrix. These steps follow the AES key expansion process, where each round key is generated based on the previous round key and original key input. Overall, this output represents the next round keys that would be used in the AES encryption process based on the input provided and the code logic. That's all about my presentation. Thank you.